In the pursuit of a healthier home environment, the Smart Wi-Fi Indoor Air Quality Monitor emerges as a cutting-edge solution. Leveraging multi-sensor technology, this smart device delivers accurate readings of your indoor air quality, ensuring that you're always informed and in control. Accuracy through multi-sensor technology. The monitor is equipped with advanced sensors that detect various pollutants, including PM2.5, VOx, and CO2 levels, as well as temperature and humidity. This multifaceted approach provides a comprehensive view of your air quality, leaving no stone unturned in the quest for clean air. Real-time alerts for immediate action. Connected via Wi-Fi, the monitor sends instant alerts to your smartphone when it detects changes in air quality. Whether it's a sudden surge in pollutants or a gradual shift, you'll receive timely notifications, empowering you to take swift action to improve your indoor environment. Seamless integration with smart homes. The monitor is designed to integrate effortlessly with your smart home setup. It works in harmony with smart air purifiers, ventilation systems, and thermostats, enabling automated adjustments to maintain optimal air quality without constant manual intervention. User-friendly app for easy monitoring. The companion app offers a simple and intuitive interface for monitoring air quality, setting alerts, and controlling connected devices. It provides real-time data and historical trends, giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions about your home's air quality. Hassle-free setup and maintenance. Setting up the Smart Wi-Fi Indoor Air Quality Monitor is a breeze. With quick Wi-Fi connection and easy integration with existing smart home devices, the app guides you through any maintenance, ensuring the device operates smoothly and effectively. A smart step towards healthier living. By providing precise and real-time monitoring of your indoor air quality, the Smart Wi-Fi Indoor Air Quality Monitor is an essential tool for creating a healthier living environment. It's a smart investment in your family's well-being, ensuring that every breath you take at home is a clean one. For those eager to discover how this smart monitor can enhance your home's air quality, please don't hesitate to contact me. Visit my page and send an email using the provided address. I'll reply within 24 hours with all the details you need. Let's make every breath count.